This is a tense courtroom, filled with anticipation and a search for justice. But suddenly, all hell breaks loose. A man, consumed by rage and frustration, directs his fury towards the very person who holds his fate in their hands, the judge. In a shocking display of disrespect, he unleashes a torrent of profanity, shouts, and unbridled anger that echoes through the courtroom walls. Let's make our way down to Daytona Beach, Florida, where the Volusia County Sheriff's Office has received an emergency call.
That's your bad finger. I didn't appreciate that. But go ahead, I'm going to swear you.
Still going to threaten me like you did the other day?
Threaten you to participate here?
No, you threatened my life the other day.
Thank you.
I am not under oath. This is being done unconstitutionally. Y'all took my kids unrightfully. You want to allow my witnesses here? You want to allow my paperwork? Y'all took all my court paperwork. And when they all come in here, I'm going to say the same thing. So let's bring them in. Quit wasting my time and bring them in so I can tell them the same thing. Quit wasting my time and bring them in.
Holly, make sure you take down what I say. He was sworn in.
No, I was not sworn in.
Yes,
I've never been sworn in this court. Bring the camera back. He's making this up.
He's representing.
He is making this up. I was never sworn in. I have not been sworn in at all. You're a liar.
Thank you very much, sir. That being said, we're ready to go ahead and proceed with that.
No, we are not.
The detectives were able to identify the person who had made the anonymous phone and hunt him down. Alan McCarty was arrested and charged with making murder threats against a judge, whom he incorrectly thinks took his children away from him during the child custody battle. His trial starts 1 year later in front of a different judge than before.
All right, back on the record, Mr. McCarty, present. He's under oath from the start of the trial.
No, I'm not. I'm not under oath.
All right, raise your right hand. I'm going to swear you in.
I'm not under oath.
Raise your right hand, please.
That's your bad finger. I didn't appreciate that.
Still going to threaten me like you did the other day?
Threaten you to participate here?
No, you threatened my life the other day. I am not under oath. This is being done unconstitutionally. Y'all took my kids unrightfully. You want to allow my witnesses here? You want to allow my paperwork? Y'all took all my court paperwork.
We haven't started the trial yet.
It doesn't matter. You still deny it. You want to take my kids from me and act like that? You ain't that bitch. You ain't the bitch that took my kids.
Holly, make sure you take down what I say. He was sworn in.
No, I was not sworn in.
Yes,
I've never been sworn in this court. Bring the camera back. He's making this up.
So, that being said, number one, I need to know whether or not you want to be here during the trial process.
No.
All right, do you want to testify?
No, I don't. This is all being done unconstitutionally, unrightfully.
Do you want to be in the room or not?
Do you want to suck my...
I prefer not to, sir.
Well, you got a mouth for it.
No, do you want to be here or not?
Oh, who wants to sit here while you take their kids? This is a conflict of interest. Every right y'all I supposedly have you violated. Can I get some more, please? I got a lot more cussing to do. I need to wet my mouth.
Do you want to be here when the jury's here?
What the do you think?
I don't know. I need you to answer.
After making a decision that went against Alan McCarty Jr. in a child custody dispute, Circuit Judge Stuzja Warren received death threats from Alan McCarty Jr., who was convicted guilty of making such threats in August. According to reports from the Daytona Beach News-Journal, Circuit Judge Matt Foxman said on Wednesday that McCarty, who is 36 years old, also threatened the unborn child of a prosecutor. This caused the vulgar felon to explode in the courtroom.
You threatened the unborn child of the prosecutor.
What a bunch of lies, you stupid piece.
Then also
You threatened my life.
in the
You
back room.
suck it. No, I'm not standing.
Not resisting.
I'm not resisting. I'm just not.
Stand up.
I'm not standing.
I don't have to stand.
Foxman then gave the order for McCarty to be removed from the courtroom. Nevertheless, despite this, McCarty continued to hurl profanities and racist insults at the judge and an associate state attorney. The balance of McCarty's sentencing hearing was spent in a different room, in which he viewed the proceedings via one-way glass. This was the same place in which he spent most of his trial. 3 women and 3 men on the jury took about 30 minutes to decide that McCarty was guilty of 2 counts of threats or bribery and 2 counts of corrupting a public office by threat. In the phone exchanges, McCarty also made threats against the judge and 2 dispatchers,